Dear ICDL community, parents, practitioners, teachers, and every member of our global DRR floor time community, as we come to a close of another remarkable year, my heart is filled with gratitude, admiration, and respect for every one of you. The festive season is not only a time for celebration, it is a time to pause, breathe, and honor the extraordinary journeys of the children, the families, and professionals who make our community so powerful and so full of hope. To every parent and caregiver, thank you. Thank you for your unwavering love, your courage, and your commitment to understanding your child's world. Your determination to accommodate your child's unique sensory, emotional, and developmental needs is what makes our work meaningful. You remind us every day that connection and compassion are the heart of true progress. To every DRR floor-time practitioner, therapist, and teacher, you are the hands, the hearts, and the minds carrying this mission forward. Thank you for your dedication, your patience, and the joy you bring to the children and families you support. Your work changes lives, strengthens families, and builds communities grounded in respect and understanding. Because of you, children across the world are seen, heard, celebrated, and supported in ways that honor their full humanity. This season, I want to reaffirm the message that at the center of RCL's mission, every child, every individual deserves to be understood, respected, and supported in a way that honors their individuality. Accommodations are not extras, they are acts of love, communication, and dignity. They allow children to flourish authentically and then remind the world that inclusion is not charity, it's a basic human right. As we enter the festive time, may you each find moments of rest, peace, connection, and renewal. May your families be filled with warmth, your families with joy, and your hearts with hope for all that lies ahead. From my heart to yours, thank you for your service, your commitment, and your determination, and your belief in the potential of every individual. Thank you for helping to shape a world where diversity is celebrated and every developmental journey is honored. Wishing you a joyful, peaceful, and meaningful festive season and a new year full of growth, light, and endless possibilities with deep gratitude and admiration. Thank you.